So me and my crew decided to play a ritual prank on some hookup girls. We went to a website, a dating website. Don't want to say the name, and we got some girls for hookup. And this particular one charged 15K. See, she's well relaxed, checking out the room to see how good the bed is. As you can see, she's relaxed, and she opened her purse. Meanwhile, we were trying to pull some stunt on her. She doesn't know she's actually waiting for the client that invited her. She's taking off her dress to get ready for action. As you can see, she's well relaxed. She's adjusting her dress to make sure that the client will be impressed with what she's carrying. So she's relaxed, waiting. And the first stunt we put on her was to bring out a dead person from the bathroom, and you can see she's shocked and she doesn't know what to do. I think she picked up her clothes and she wanted to leave. While she was about to leave, she passed out, and we had nothing to do. We had to go get water.
It's a prank. It's a prank. We're playing water. She don't play too. Hello? It's a prank.
I don't like this kind of thing. Which kind of prank is that? I don't like this kind of thing. Wear my clothes. I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like this kind of prank. Which kind of prank is this one, eh? It's outside down in court. I don't like this thing. I don't do it again. 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 Where my phone? I don't do it again. I don't do it again. I beg. I don't do it again.
Now, prank.
Then the second girl was actually gave us tough time. She came in, she was checking her time. She doesn't really have time to waste. I think she took off her wristwatch because she was in a bit of hurry. Before we met her, we told her that it was going to be for short rest. She actually charged way more, so we put the first stunt on her by bringing out the dead person.
Jesus! 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 Let me off me! Jesus, leave me! Leave me! Don't do this guy. It's a